Agent Clark, what cases have you been up to lately?
Well, Agent Scruffy, there's been a mysterious volcanic eruption, and we're trying to figure out what kind of volcano and eruption it is.
You need any help with that?
Yes, let's go investigate it.
Does anybody know anything about volcanoes?
A volcano is a mountain or a hill where it is a weak spot in the Earth's crust where magma comes to the surface. A volcano has a pipe, a vent, a crater, and a magma chamber. Under the volcano, magma collects in a magma chamber. Magma moves up the pipe and leaves through an opening in the volcano, called a vent. In the central vent, a bowl-shaped area called the crater can form on top of the volcano. Volcanoes occur in belts along the boundaries of Earth's plates. One major belt is called the Ring of Fire, located in the Pacific Ocean. Volcanoes occur in colliding boundaries. Volcanoes form along mid-ocean ridges, where boundaries of the Earth's plates spread and separate. Ridges can be found underwater or on land. A hotspot can form a volcano, and a hotspot can also form under a continent.
Does anybody know what type of eruptions there are?
I know. This is a lava volcano, for example, Krakatoa.
Oh, baby, a triple!
This is a quiet volcano, for example, Kilauea. This is a composite volcano. A composite volcano is a tall cone-shaped mountain in which layers of lava and ash alternate. Example of a composite volcano is Mount St. Helens. Mount St. Helens is a composite volcano because it is tall and it is cone-shaped. This is a cinder cone volcano. A cinder cone volcano is a steep cone-shaped hill or a small mountain made of volcanic ash, cinders, and bombs. An example of a cinder cone volcano is Capelin. Capelin is a cinder cone volcano because it has a steep cone-shaped hill. This is a shield volcano. A shield volcano is a wide, gently sloping mountain made of layers of lava formed by quiet eruptions. An example of shield volcano is Krakatoa. This is a caldera. A caldera is a large hole on top of a volcano formed when the roof of a magma chamber collapsed. Some eruptions of lava form high-level areas called lava plateaus. First, lava flows out of several long cracks of fissures in an area. The thin, runny lava travels far before cooling and solidifying again and again. Floods and lava flow on top of earlier floods. After millions of years, these layers of lava can form high plateaus. Examples include the Columbia Plateau in Washington, Oregon, and Idaho, and the Modoc Plateau in northern eastern California. This is a batholith. A batholith is a mass of rock formed when a large body of magma cools inside the crust. Around noon on August 24th, AD 79, the volcano Vesuvius suddenly exploded around midnight. A deadly pyroclastic flow poured over the entire air, trapping around 2,000 Pompeians. Afterwards, an additional 3 meters of volcanic debris rained down on Pompeii. This layer of material sealed the city. Although Mount Vesuvius had erupted in the past, the volcano had lain dormant for hundreds of years.